With up to 10.86 amps of charge from this compact package, the Adventure King's 200-watt folding solar blanket kit with MPPT Regulator is the perfect choice to keep your batteries charged all year round. First, you've got 200 watts of power that folds into this compact solar blanket. Externally, it features a carry handle and a pocket to store all the included extras, and the whole thing is protected by tough polyester weaved material. Inside, you've got the included MPPT solar regulator, a 4.4 meter extension lead, and a pair of alligator clips. These all join together easily with the quick connect plugs, so they allow you to plug directly into your battery box or onto battery terminals. Fold out the blanket and there are 6 monocrystalline panels made up of the latest Class A solar cells with 5 busbar technology to ensure excellent power output even under tough conditions. Within a minute, you can have your Adventure King solar blanket set up, plugged together and charging your battery. With the extra efficiency boost of an MPPT regulator. The regulator has LED indicator lights so you know that it's charging, plus there's a USB port to charge your devices. With stitched in loops, you can hang your blanket just about anywhere with a couple of S-hooks or cable ties, or position it directly on your windscreen or roof rack, or even flat on the ground. The Adventure King's 200-watt folding solar blanket kit with an MPPT regulator is capable of outputting up to 10.86 amps. It's perfect to keep your batteries charged all year round and doesn't take up too much of your precious space.